Hello, Polly's the best for UK here, and welcome to today's Game of Day video. Now, hope you don't mind, but we continue with the ZX Spectrum throughout June as well, because there's so many great games I want to try and get through. So, yeah, this is On the Run by Design Software. So this Design Software also made other games such as Dark Star, which is a great space combat simulator. So yeah, these games quite often have this sort of look and feel to the options screen with this sort of colour scheme where you've got define the playing keys, select your joystick instructions. I think Dark Stars was similar. So let's have a look at the instructions. If it moves, shoot it. If it doesn't, see what happens when you pick it up. To quit the game, press 3 and 4 simultaneously. Pressing 2 will pause the game, pressing 1 to toggle sound on and off. Oh, sorry, there's no I scores. Okay, German. Right, okay, so let's select a joystick. So we'll have the Kempson. It's already flashing. So we turn to main menu. And let's play the game. So press 1 to start. Nice, good to see you are this man. You got this jetpack. Right, okay. Can you go up there? Right. Okay, so yeah. Right, collecting the objects. Watch out for these guys. Have some of that. So you can pick up all these things, giving us extra points as you can see at the top left of the screen. There does seem to be a time limit of an hour, so you've got an hour to complete the game. What? Some decorative frogs on the side? You can't go up there, so I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so let's try going back this way. Okay. Wee, falling down. Oh, you fuck. Right, okay. Is that a baddie? No, it's an item to collect. So, yeah. Graphics very nice. Nice detail in the environment. Looks like some sort of another world somewhere. Like an alien planet. Have some of that. Right, okay. Let's go up here. Grab the items. Nice bit of colour to the game. Nice environments. Right, okay. Watch out for these baddies. Have that. Oh, shit. Oh, you fuck. Have some of that. So at the top you've got energy bar. So yeah, watch out for the baddies because they will drain your energy down. Okay, what's this here? There we go. Pick that up, whatever it was. It looks like I've got to go back up because I don't think I can get through there. Right, okay. Try this right now, that's a dead end. So yeah, you seem to be on this other planet with like a sort of jetpack. Oh shit. Right, what's down here? Okay. That gives you more energy, because I just saw my energy bar rise a bit. Now it's gone back down again because I just touched that baddie. I'm not sure where you've got to go exactly. It's about exploration. Right, I'm not sure if I've been down this way yet. I think I have actually. So yeah, that's sort of what it is. It is what it is. Okay, let's continue on. Oh, you fuck. Baddies just got me. Right. It wasn't exactly what I was expecting the game to be, as it's called On the Run. It's like you're a man in a jetpack. Oh, you fuck! You have been killed. You had 57 minutes and 35 seconds left. You collected now flasks and scored 265 out of points. So yeah, that's On the Run on the ZX Spectrum. Nice fun exploration game. And by Design Software. And I'm going to give that one 7 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!